All right, fifth graders, we are on to week 2 of our distance learning. Like I said before, every Monday I'm going to create a video that we're going to just kind of go over what our week is going to look like and then what a lot of the slides are going to look like just to help you out. Um, this will be your first slide after this video plays, just the good morning slide. Um, the question you're going to answer today is going to be what is your dream job? And you'll put that on Flipgrid. Our week does look a little bit different than last week. So this week we'll have math every day and we'll have reading every day. I sent out this picture to your parents as well so that they know that there's just a little bit more happening this week. You'll still have art on Monday. You'll have music and band on Tuesday, PE on Wednesday, science on Thursday, and then we will not have any assignments on Friday since we wouldn't have had school anyways that day. So, to go back to our slideshow, um, we still have the news slide on there for you to go through. And then, like I said from last week, math is going to be the same today as it was on Friday, with the addition of one more problem. And then you'll also be doing your mastery check today. So I left the math slides kind of looking the same. For those of you that maybe didn't get a chance to really complete much of them, I know that you're still going to need all of these instructions. And then I took the time to customize a couple slides for all of you. So starting on slide 7, you'll see your name up at the top, and then it'll have a list of what you need to complete. For some of you, you just need to complete the new problem from today and the mastery check because you completed everything on Friday. But for example, some of you might still need to create that Padlet and share it with me. I'm always available to video chat if you need me to walk you through anything. Um, I copied your problems from last week onto this slide as well, and I circled anything that either you didn't finish or you got incorrect. So for this person, they just didn't answer number 6. And then they also need to do their Khan Academy still. The new math problem today is kind of a real world problem. You're going to be looking at the our forecast for our weather for this week, and you're going to find the average high temperature. So that's like the larger numbers right here. And then you're going to find the average low temperature. So you're going to be finding two new averages. Then on the next slide, you can also click here for the mastery check. So remember to take that mastery check once you've gone through and fixed anything that you needed to fix, and then you've finished all the problems. So the mastery check has to be done at the very end, just like it would be in class, okay? Then for ELA, Miss Treb made us some great slides. So you're going to take a few minutes to just go over the pictures that are on this slide, on slide 13 here. On slide 14, if you need to reread the Ruth Bader Ginsburg book, you definitely can, or just go over it really quick. But you're going to go to the Padlet. So you can just click the Padlet link here to share what you remember from the book. You can go to the next slide, and this is prepping you for working on the graphic organizer. So there's some vocab for you to work on, and then the reading as well. You're going to fill out this graphic organizer here. So you're going to talk about certain scenarios in the book, the cause. So why did it happen? And then you can use these words here. So, as a result, consequently, therefore, and led to talk about the effect. So what happened? So here's your word bank at the top for you to use to navigate your sentences, to create your sentences. For art, Mr. Watt is going to post an assignment on Seesaw for you to go through, and then you'll still have your 25 minutes of reading. You have a checklist at the end for all of your work. And then a lot of you are doing a really great job. Some of us are still forgetting to turn it in at the end. Turning it in just lets me know that you have completed everything and you're ready for me to go over it. So that's all I've got for our slide. There's going to be just one more video after this that I want you to watch. That's going to talk about some of the benefits of doing some video chats with each other.